This video is to introduce the work of Team 19 as part of the GCO02 Apps Design module. This project was carried out on behalf of the Industry Exchange Network, and our client was Dr. Dean Muhammad Ali. The team members were Nidhi Goel, Rachel Slater, and Jason Lee. So firstly, to introduce what the IXN actually is. It's a group that was created at UCL in 2011 in order to enable computer science students to carry out projects with industry partners such as Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. At that point in time, there was nowhere to actually showcase the work that was carried out by the students, and this leads to the objective for our project, which was to create a dynamic web application to showcase all of the work carried out under this group. So to cover the main features that were to be implemented, we wanted to build a project archive and a projects gallery with all of the projects organized into subcategories. We wanted to have a search engine. The projects were to have embedded videos, and there should be social media on the web application. An events calendar should be implemented to manage events. And additionally, our client requested that we create a separate desktop application in order to automate the upload of new projects to the database. So covering the system architecture of our solution, there are three main components as shown here. Firstly, the web application itself, which is the main user interface. This is connected to a MySQL database, and this database is also connected to our desktop application for uploading new projects. So the technologies that we chose for implementation were AngularJS, PHP, and Apache for our web application, a MySQL database, and our desktop application was implemented using Java. So to show the project structure for our web application, in green we can see each of the AngularJS views, and in blue and orange we can see the main features that are implemented under each view. For example, there's a 3D gallery on the home page, and the search functionality can be seen on the main projects page. So next I'm going to give a demo of our actual web application itself. So this is the landing page for our web application, and we can see here that we have a 3D gallery on the home page showing all of the projects in our database, and the category associated with each is highlighted. We also have an embedded Twitter feed here, and we have a little introduction to IXN. So moving on to the projects page, this is where we can find all of the projects which are in our database. And the main feature here is the search functionality. So if we type in some keywords, we can see that our search results reduce as we type. And let's say if we wanted to use another keyword, let's say brain, we can see the filter continues. So we can also search based on these category tabs. So let's say we search by charities. We have 4 results, and we can directly view the YouTube playlist for these particular search results. And because these videos are embedded within the homepage, we can play them directly. So going back to the main projects page, we'll see a sample of a single project view by clicking into one of these thumbnails. We have a description, an abstract, and the poster and video associated with this project. So now moving on to a simpler view, which is the Partners tab, where we have our client logos, and the About page, which has a summary of the project and the coordinators. And lastly, we have an events calendar, which shows all of the upcoming and past events, and includes a request form so that people can request that new events be added to this calendar. And these are submitted to the administrators for approval. So that concludes our summary of the IXN web application. And next we're going to see the use of the desktop application for uploading projects. And that concludes a demo for Team 19's IXN project.